Okay, so guys, ito naman is a tutorial on how uh, can we maximize the use of our assist line. Okay, so the purpose of our assist line is to help us on drawing or um, anchoring our panels. Okay, so it will serve as an anchor point kasi if wala tayong assist line, may hirapan tayo. Okay, may hirapan tayo mag-draw ng panels. So first, na-draw ko na yung base. So, I think familiar na din kayo. First, we need to draw the base. Second is we need to match. We need to match a building. So, this part, it might look complicated at first, okay? But with the help of our assist line, madali lang siya, okay? So, first things first, kunin muna natin yung ridge, okay? So, 9, gawa muna tayo ng assist line, ng ridge. So, make sure na, dapat guys, sa placement pa lang ng ridge, it needs to be perfect, okay? If mali yung ridge mo, uulit ka na naman. Okay? So dito, for this example, the edge is kind of, let's say, ambiguous. Okay? So for this part, it needs to go to this part like that. So since it's a bit ambiguous, we cannot just simply put an assist line. Okay? Kasi pag mali, uulit na naman tayo. So the best approach for this one, okay, I suggest you manually first need to draw the panel correctly. So like that. You just need to follow the slant and draw it like that. So let's F7. Sorry, F7 is not working. Hmm. So out of luck, we don't have uh, decent views. So let's try this one. Let's look for another. So F7. Okay, so I think this will do. So see, so my assist line was a bit, ridge was a bit short. So that will do. Next, we need to put an assist line here. It will serve as a guide. Okay. So, okay. So it's the panel is purple. So we use the shift Y to align it to the wall. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it's done. Remove the excess assist line, and we can try to draw these other panels. So take note, assist line can be connected to existing panels. Okay, so dito, since this plane, okay, is connected to this plane, to this one, so it should be one plane. So yung gagawin natin is mag-a-add tayo ngayon ng assist line, connect natin dito. So how to connect? Press 9. Make sure na mag-highlight muna. Okay, pag hindi yan nag-highlight, meaning hindi yan connected. So it needs to highlight and then follow the click the direction, vertical or horizontal. Okay, so let's double check on the left. Sorry, on the right. So I think it's correct. And then we can draw our panels. So, hmm. Okay, so we're done with this panel. So how about this one? If you look at it, it's a bit hard, but actually this is quite easy. So again, we need to connect to this one. We need to draw an assist line. And after that, check this out. So check this panel. So this panel is connected to here. So again, we need to draw another assist line. Take note, guys, assist line can be uh, can 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 change direction. Okay, so like that, and then so it will automatically snap to the existing panel. So again, I'll show you again. So this one, we will snap here. Press 9, connect. Okay, so we have a base already for this part of the building part. This extension. I think this is an attic. Okay, so and then we will capture the roof. Hmm. Let's adjust. Okay, let's adjust. Again, check. You can check the right image as reference. Okay, so okay. Hmm. Let's just adjust later if we can use M later. It's a bit small adjustments. So let's remove the excess assist line. Okay. And then we need to draw the base. Okay, so how to draw the base? So first, H, or you can just draw it like that. Drag the wall and then copy. So we already have a base. So it's not a problem, guys, if our building is inserted. As you can see, it's inserted below. It doesn't matter. So we will use repair tool or auto fix tool later. Okay, to fix this one. Next, first, let's just close the panels. So for me, it's easy for me to label when doing 3D mode. So depends on you if you want to draw it like using 2D or 3D. Next, we will put another assist line here. It's a bit far, so let's draw it. Guys, take note when assist line has no limit, so you can delete, redraw. You can use how many you want. It doesn't matter. Assist line is there to help with your labeling. Okay, so again, it's a bit too far. Hmm. Again, one more. Make sure to snap. Hmm. A bit far. Check that out. Okay, so this should be good enough. Capture. So for this part, we have a missing part here. So it doesn't matter. All we need to do is to just insert the panel. Okay, let's insert the panel inside the building. If you see broken lines, it means that the panel is inside the building. So it's fine. We will use auto fix later. Okay, so also for our purple panels, we can use auto fix later. So and lastly, we will close the back area. So let's just add the extensions or the uh, secondary independent later group, and hopefully the building will come out good. So F4, let's see, and we have uh, a decent result. Right? We have decent result. So that is the use of our assist line. It can help us greatly when labeling, especially these complicated buildings. So don't be afraid to use your assist line, okay? So let's move to the last part, our secondary independent roof. So let's look for another view. This one. Okay, so first, we need to capture the base. So Hold Alt to adjust. Hmm. And then you can use an assist line. Oh, so, so this is a bit habit of mine. I keep using Control Z for assist line, but when you undo, so, okay. So and then we need to draw the secondary independent. For drawing the independent, guys, for drawing the secondary attachment, uh, no need to draw the side panels. Okay. So delete and delete the base, and it should look like this. And lastly, we need to draw our uh, hmm, we need to draw our corners. Okay. So look for another view, F7. Oh, sorry. Hmm, let's try this one. Okay, so let's insert and then use I to capture. Yeah. So again, F4 group, uh, and then use Alt R. Let's see the final results. So have you noticed here we have different we have a few what you call this few layers. So it doesn't matter, guys. Okay, as long that we capture the roof perfectly, it doesn't matter if you have 100 bases. It doesn't matter. Okay, 100 base below. So let's see 3D mode. Okay, so we captured the roof perfectly. Okay, so again, please maximize the use of your assist line. So there's no limit on how many you can do, on how many you can make. So yeah, so thank you.